Good morning, students. Myself Renu Yadav, and today I will teach you Science, Lesson 12, Cleanliness and Hygiene, Part 1. Disease is a condition that does not allow the body or some part of the body to function properly. Diseases are of two types: communicable disease and non-communicable disease. In this lesson, we will learn about how communicable diseases are caused, transferred, and can be prevented. Children, first of all, we will understand what a communicable disease is. Communicable diseases are those diseases that can spread from a sick person to a healthy person. Children, as we are in the era of coronavirus and it is spreading from one person to another very easily, right? So this is the example of communicable disease. Communicable disease are the diseases which can spread easily from a sick person to a healthy person. It can be spread by, and what are the ways by which it can spread is by direct contact with a sick person. If we are meeting a sick person, then this disease can be spread. Okay, that's why the government asked for having social distancing, right? Then communicable disease can also be spread by eating unclean or infected food. Then the third point is by drinking unclean water, and the bite of an infected insect like a mosquito can also cause communicable disease. Microorganisms that causes diseases are called germs. Children, here you can see the image of different viruses which can affect a healthy person and can get transferred from a sick person to a healthy person. And children, this is the image of bacteria, and these bacteria also make a healthy person sick. Prevention of communicable diseases. Communicable diseases can be prevented from spreading in the following ways. The first way to prevent is keeping the surroundings clean. Children, if we will keep our surroundings clean like we keep our house clean, therefore we can save ourselves from communicable diseases. Second, maintaining personal cleanliness. Children, as it was directed by the government that we should keep our hands clean, we should use sanitizers, we should wash our hands regularly, and if we are coming from outside, we should take a bath. Okay, this all is a part of personal cleanliness, personal hygiene. So if we will maintain personal hygiene, personal cleanliness, any type of communicable disease can be prevented. Then keeping the sick person in isolation. If the sick person will be isolated from other members of the family or other people, then also the spreading of these diseases can be prevented. Eating clean food and drinking clean water. We should always eat clean food and we should always drink clean water to prevent ourselves from different diseases. Then, vaccinating yourselves against diseases. Children, we should take proper vaccines to prevent ourselves from different kind of diseases. And then you might have seen that you might be having a mark on your hands, on your arms. So when you were a kid, that time your parents would have vaccinated you from different diseases. Then, talking about vaccination, nowadays you might be hearing it in the news also that we have got a vaccine for coronavirus. Now India is exporting vaccine also, and India is helping people to get the vaccine so that they can prevent themselves from the coronavirus, and other communicable diseases also have vaccines. So what this vaccine is? Vaccination, it is the use of special substances called vaccines to prevent the microorganisms from causing diseases. Okay, vaccines prevent the microorganisms from causing diseases. The vaccine is injected into the body of a healthy person, and the body develops immunity against the disease. If you are vaccinated for a particular disease, then your body automatically have an immune system to fight against that kind of disease. Okay, so this is helped by vaccination. Hygiene. Hygiene can be defined as a set of practices that help to ensure cleanliness and good health. Children, we studied about communicable diseases. If we will keep ourselves clean, we will maintain cleanliness, then we can save ourselves from communicable diseases. So, hygiene helps us to ensure cleanliness and good health. We can maintain personal hygiene in the following ways. Children, now we will be discussing about different ways by which we can maintain personal hygiene. Take a bath daily. Children, we should bath daily because our skin becomes dirty due to the dust and sweat. So we should always take a bath every morning. If it is winters, then also we should take a bath. Okay? Regardless of any season, we should bath so that the germs, the dust, the sweat, whatever it is on our skin, it could be removed. Then wash hands after visiting the washroom. Whenever you visit washrooms, you should wash your hands with a hand wash. Then brush teeth properly twice a day. This habit will keep your gums, your teeth healthy, and you can eat whatever you like. So we should brush our teeth properly twice a day, in the morning and before sleeping. Wash your hairs at least twice a week. Children, you should even wash your hairs at least twice a week. Hair should be brushed properly. Sharing combs transfer dirt and head lice. You should not share your combs with anyone. Nails should be trimmed at least once a week. You should trim your nails weekly. Overgrown nails trap germs and dust, which later enter our food during eating. If you have big nails, then you will be collecting germs also. And then when you will eat anything, those germs will get inside your mouth, inside your body. Then wear clean clothes and underclothes free of sweat and germs. Clothes should be changed every day. As you will bath every day, you will change your clothes also every day. And your clothes should be neat and tidy and should be free from sweat and germs. Community hygiene. It is equally important to keep our surroundings clean. People often fall sick due to unclean surroundings. Children, we should not only keep our house clean, but we should also keep our surroundings clean. Then only we can live a healthy life. Maintenance of cleanliness at all places like public convenience, markets, schools, cinema halls, etc. Then by proper disposal of waste and excreta and periodic cleaning and disinfection of water reservoirs, pools, tanks, etc. If we will keep few points like this in our mind and will take steps to clean our surroundings, then we can live a very healthy life. Garbage or waste is any material that is of no use and can be thrown away. Children, waste can be grouped into two types: biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste. These are plant and animal waste such as vegetable peels, paper and excreta that decompose easily and mix with the soil. The waste from your kitchen is biodegradable waste. Then non-biodegradable waste. These are waste such as plastic and glass metals which do not decompose easily. Hence, stay in the soil for a very long time. They causes soil pollution. Children, the local government has placed blue and green colored bins in public places. The green colored bins are to be used to dispose of biodegradable waste, and the blue colored bins are meant to dispose of non-biodegradable waste. Ways to dispose of Non-biodegradable waste. Children, we will learn about 3 ways by which non-biodegradable waste can be disposed of. The first way is recycling, second is incinerators, and the third one is landfill. Children, what is recycling? Separate glass, plastic, and metal from non-biodegradable waste for recycling. Recycling saves space in landfills and reduces the amount of material energy used to manufacture new products. Children, in recycling, the waste which is of glass, which is of plastic, which is of metal, these kind of waste are kept in separate dustbins. In public places, you might have seen that you are asked to throw plastic bottles in a different bin, and the tin cans, the Coke cans in a different bin, as one is metal and the other one is plastic. This helps the government to distribute the things easily, and it saves the time and energy to manufacture new products. Then the second method is incinerators. Non-biodegradable waste like used rubber tires and plastic can be burned at combustion facilities. Most of these use heat generated by incinerators to make energy in the form of steam or electricity. Few waste like rubber tires and plastics are burned and energy is produced in the form of steam or electricity. Then we have landfill. Landfills provide long-term storage for non-biodegradable waste. Landfills are situated in the outskirts of cities to reduce odor, pest. City garbage is dumped in the landfill. When it is full, it is covered with soil to prevent breeding of insects. Very often, a park is made on it. Children, the nearest landfill is the Gazipur landfill, which I know, and in Delhi we have Indraprasth Park. It is also a landfill. The waste is collected there, and then when no space is left, then a park is maintained over it. With this, children, I end up with the topic. Thank you.